You don't like disco? Even in your age before, disco is very popular, no? Sorry, Han. Sorry, Han. Han. Sorry.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Yung asawa ko tulog na tulog doon. Tignan ang paligid, guys. Tignan niyo, guys. Sobrang quiet. May ibon. Ang daming ibon doon kumakain ng ano. Well, actually, hindi madami. Meron. Pero may mga ibon kumakain. Ang sarap tignan ng paligid, no? Kapag green. Bagong cut. Ganun. Sarap. Pero ngayong araw is ulan daw. Pakainin ko lang tong mga anak ko. Tulog si Tami. Tulog. Somebody's here, guys. Hi. Hello. Hello. Say hi to everyone. Say good morning. Say morning. Say good morning, love. Good morning. Good morning, mga doggy. Kumusta kayo, mga doggy? Good morning, baby. Good morning. Good morning, love. Okay, let's go out. Come here, let's go out. Come, let's go out. Luto tayo ng fried rice. Fried rice, egg, and bacon. Luto tayo. So, yun. Mag-cut lang ako ng onion. And, yung tulog pa sa tabi. What is the problem? Alam nyo guys, itong si Misty, may naramdamang hindi maganda. And then si Roxy din. Iwan ko kung ano yung naramdaman nila. Kagabi, natatakot ako kasi yung may bukol si Roxy guys dito sa likuran. Lumaki ng lumaki. So, natatakot ako kung ano yun. And then, ngayon, may bukol na naman sa gilid. Lumaki. And ngayon, meron na naman isang maliit kasi malapit sa malaki. Yung pinakauna. Magising na yung isa. Ingay ko kasi. And Misty is not feeling good. She's been trying to eat the grass too. So, and then she doesn't eat the bone. So, yung hayop pala is magka-virus. Yung lion, I think lion ba yun sa Bronx? Bronx ba yun? May lion sa Bronx na tiger or lion na nagka-virus. Iwan ko kung totoong news po yun, pero yun yung balita. Tapos pa kami nag-alala nito kasi si Roxy, iba yung galaw ba? Hindi playful, ganun. So, kagabi, nanonood kami ng ano talaga, ng prime na movie, yung mga aso-aso ba, husky, mga slay dog. Nakakaamo pala itong mga slay dog. Yung mga may mga ano ba? Kasi snow, nandun sila sa labas, ginaw. Sangag. And this rice is burning. Kasi guys, so wala siyang oil. Pero look, nag-oil siya. Gusto ko to yung pinaka-ano talaga, yung as in nag-brown. Because that's the best. And then I'm going to cook the egg. And that's it. We eat. Ito yung rice. Yan. Yun yung egg namin. Para siyang egg. Egon. Busy my baby. Bohok is everywhere. It's a good breakfast, guys. I like it. Very Filipino. The egg is runny. Oh my God. Meron pa akong dried fish dito ba? Mag-ano tayo sa labas, guys. Gonna do barbecue mukbang. Outside. I don't know. People would, oh, what is that? Like that. Because if I do it outside like a barbecue style, oh my god. The neighbor will be like, oh, quarantining.
Bring out a gun and shoot that skunk.
Skunk? Oh, they're gonna shoot me. No, I think dried fish is worse than skunk.
It is.
For you, for you American, right? It's weird because for us it's the best smell ever. It's so appetizer, appetizing,
That's scary.
Yes, it gives you appetite. If you smell dried fish and somebody's neighbor, oh, I said, oh, it smells so good. Sarap naman yan. Sarap ng sinangag. Sinangag, guys. Sobrang sarap. Grabe. Are you guys fighting? Or playing? Roxy color. Look the card. Look the color. Not feeling good? What's wrong with my baby? Kanina yung yung ilong niya, guys, is sobrang dry. And this morning, diba, sabi ko sa inyo, kain siya ng grass doon sa doon sa labas. So ngayon, tinitignan ko yung ilong niya, thank God moist. Indicator kasi yung ilong na basa-basa is siya, healthy and not sick. So I think he just really have a really bad stomach pain for some reason, pero buti na lang hindi siya nag-diarrhea. So ganyan kasi sila, pag hindi okay yung pakiramdam, kakain ng grass, and then yung ilong is sobrang dry. So pinalabas ko sila not long time ago, and then nagpipi, nag-business, and then kumain siya ulit ng grass doon sa labas. So kawawa naman itong misty ni mama. Uy, kawawa naman ng monkey. Uy, what's wrong with my monkey? My monkey now is such a monkey. She just need to be loved and touched, kasi ito yung gusto talaga niya. So pagbigyan natin, look, nakatindig. Right? Ma, it's boring today because it's raining. It's kind of gloomy outside, okay? I decided to bring it in because it's cold. And this needs to have like warm and... So, I just been uploading a video. I upload 2 videos upstairs, han? Yeah. And, so yun. And, oh, anyway, yung natanggap ko pala na galing sa USCIS is the same thing what I've got from the mail, from the, you know. My husband told me, eat now. I said, no, I'm not hungry. You will be hungry when you sit in the car. Oh my God, he is very correct. I like disco, eh?
What?
I like disco. Disco ba? Disco. Disco.
Disco?
He doesn't care, guys. You don't like disco? Even in your age before, disco is very popular now? Really? So, banana bread. I still have banana bread. I'm sorry, guys. I'm still wearing the same thing. Because you know, Han, right? We're home. I showered yesterday, and then we're heading out after Tommy take a shower. Linis lang kami, guys. Kahit wala na tayong lisensya, kasi yung lisensya natin expired, inano naman nila, parang, anong tawag nito? Extend yung kasi dahil sa nangyari, di ba? Yung filing, yung pag-renew, in-extend nila para naman uulan daw mamaya ka na nag-raincoat ako. Raincoat man ito, guys, pero parang pwede sa labas, dito pwede din itong reversible ba. Know what you doing?
My finger was in there. Funny, closing the window on my finger, funny.
Sorry, Han. Sorry, Han. Han. Sorry.
Oh, jeez.
Forgive me. Can you forgive me?
Yes, hon. Be careful, that's all.
I don't want to hurt you. That hurts me if I hurt you. It hurts me, hon.
That better hurt me more.
Oh my god, that's why I said sorry. Tommy can't accept sorry. What happened to my music, hon?
I don't know.
Did you shut it off?
It says like you thought about it, so I'm guessing I did not shut it off. Yeah, well, you can't post it, so.
Yeah. You're just gonna dance. We stop at ShopRite because Tommy wants to go there, and the line is very long, so he doesn't want to stay in the line. It's very long, so uwi na lang kami sa bahay. Well, sa isang bahay, sa bahay ni Biyanan. Doon na lang kami kunin yung ano pinunta namin dito. Let me see kung meron pa ba silang ano si Biyanan dito. Tawag nito. Wala nang pat. Meron, maganda ito oh. So si Tami naghalongkat doon sa mga gamit, and meron siyang pinakita sa akin na bigay ni yung masamang lalaki sa mundo ng showbiz dito. You know si Harvey Weinstein. Bigay daw ito kay Tami. Ito siya. Kasi yun nga yung trabaho ni Tami. Ma-meet yun ng mga tao. Ganon-ganon. Yung mga doon sa mga ganong trabaho. So, binigay daw ito sa kanya. Look. Totoong leather. Sobrang thick. Look. Sobrang kapal. Mabigat. Bigay daw ito sa adik. Sa adik na yun. What are you doing? Oh, sumakit yung ano ko. Likod ko. Ginanon ko kasi dito, o kinarga ko dito yung box kasi alam niyo naman si Tami. Mahirapan yun. And ano pa ba? Also, nakakita kami ng mask. Magagamit namin to. Ubo ako ng ubo. Kanina pa to. Si Tami hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. Kapag ganun yung naramdaman niya guys, na masama yung pakiramdam niya, na ano ako, na nag-alala kasi bakit gano'n yung naramdaman. Nagdala na naman kami ng mga pagkain guys. Dalhin doon. Itong steak, muntik na oh. At saka frozen salmon and beef stroganoff with noodles. Ang daming mga anek. And si Tami, pumunta kami dito for ano, may sulat kasi na importante. So ngayon, tinatanong-tanong ko siya, ina-avoid niya yung tanong ko. Sabi ko, asa yung papel na hinahanap mo be? Saan yun? Natawa na lang siya kasi sabi pa niya, sabi ko, you lied to me. Sabi niya, na-realize daw niya na andun sa na-realize niya na doon sa isang bahay pala doon pinadala yung sulat. Ngayon, na-embarrass siya. What?
I'll have to leave some of the seeds for the birds.
Look at how cute is that.
Chipmunks and squirrels.
Look how cute is that little
They're
baby.
very cute.
They're cute. They're cute, hon.
Look under there, over there, over there.
Look, they are everywhere. You know, they did it already. There, it's closer to you. Look.
The bird over there. Can I get in there? Move,
I feel bad for the bird because you are kind. You feed them, you give them food for them, and then.
I know. Because I should have put a birdhouse. If the squirrels can't get to it.
So guys, Tommy is embarrassed, or he just lied to me. For that's it. He just want to come here. So what really happened, honey?
Right here.
Huh?
I didn't feel like taking it right here.
So what happened, really?
Well, because I have the notification that tells me what's in the mail. And I look at it, so New York Department of Labor is in the mail, so now I gotta go there and get it and see what the hell's the problem. I didn't even realize it was a mail for that house.
I wish we did
Because
look
I only
before we
got one
leave.
notification. Well, normally you got a notification for each house. And if there's only one, it's usually only for this house, because this house gets mail every day.
Are you sure? Did you really check it's in the house?
Maybe you can't go in the store, let's see. Person's walking in. No, people going in that door. No line, just walk in.
Okay, then I go here.
Just let me go to the corner here and you can wander around somewhere.
You wanna go alone? Hold on. Punta lang si Tommy sa Walmart, guys. Are you gonna be okay? You have done this, right?
I'm fine.
I love you.
Me too.
1 hour na siya. Over an hour na siya dun. Nag-grocery, wala pa din. Iwan ko kung saan na yun. Okay, so what is... There's a lot of people there?
How hungry are you?
Why? No, I'm not gonna eat. Anyway, guys. So, Tommy got a lot of things. What is that? Ah, it's a bread with chicken.
Spicy chicken sandwich.
Okay, so my husband...
And it comes with a buffalo sauce.
Okay. And guys, Tommy won't be like having dinner. Okay then.
That's the problem. The longer I walk around the store, the hungrier I am.
Yeah, I know that you're like licking your chops while it's like your son. So there's not a lot of people there. Seriously, it's a lot, right?
Not crazy. Less than normal.
Nagwala. Nagwala dahil si Tommy, kaloka itong si Tommy. Grabe yung binili. Ang daming binili pala, guys. Grabe. Na, almost 7 o'clock na hindi pa kami nag-dinner. Alam nyo, guys, meron akong plano. Mag-plant din ako ng guys, corn. Pero, sa siya, sa container siya na ilagay ko. Pero, iba yung style. May nakita ako sa YouTube na ang galing. Hindi siya yung regular na yung parang ilagay mo lang siya sa paso. Ito siya is yung parang air pruning na pag maganda siya, guys, as in. Pero itry natin kasi alam nyo naman corn, masarap magsugba ng mais. I mean, meron ka mang mabili ng mais, na mais doon sa tindahan, pero kakaiba yung pag harvest mo, isugba mo, sobrang tamis. Iba yung tamis talaga, guys, kapag bagong harvest and then ilagay mo siya sa isugba mo siya. Nahihiya siya, guys, kanina. Kaya tinago niya yung bread. Alam niyo kung saan niya dinala yung bread? Sa sasakyan. Kasi walang Hawaiian bread. So, ang binili niya is sweet bread, sweet potato bread. 2 bag. Pagtingin ko, sus, nagmumold sa likuran. Moldy, sobrang nag-green, nag-mold. And then yung isa, sabi ko, okay, itong isa wala. And then pag ko dumikit yung yung cellophane, sabi ko pag ka sa dikit na cellophane, pag tingin ko, so yun sabi ko sa kanya, isauli namin yan bukas. Alam nyo ba kung yung namataan ko? Yung kanina bago kami umalis, Naglagay ako ng eyebrow. So, dahil sa bangs, guys, itong eyebrow ko, guys, hindi ko na malayan. Ang dami na palang tumubo. Dami na ditong tumubo. Nagkanat-kanat. Walay na pala. Napuno na ng buhok. The past is over and gone. Give it a trouble mind. Na, 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 na. So, it's 7 o'clock na. Kakain lang tayo ng dinner. Meron mang sala dito. Yun, ilabas ko lang itong mga pagkain doon. Nakausap ko ni Tami yung ano niya, pinsan. Yun, gawa tayo ng thumbnail dito. Thumbnail lang tayo. And yun. I miss my mic. Hi, Mike. My boyfriend ako. Ang pangalan is Mike. Hi, Mike. Gamitin ko to. Mag-record nga ako bukas ng kanta. Mag-record nga tayo bukas. Try tayo. Kahit hindi tayo singer, pwede naman tayo mag-record. Libre naman, di ba? Anyway, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Si Tami andun sa labas. Padilim na yan, guys. Padilim na. Ito lang talagang camera is medyo may pagka-light-light siya. Lolo. What is that? You gonna give it to me? Hello? Give it to Dada.
Dog's colorblind, so you won't know anything. They're baby chickens, so hopefully it tastes the same as you like them.
I'm going to take off the makeup para naman matulog na ako. I'm going to end this vlog dito sa bathroom talaga. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow again. Good night. Hala, sama. Oh my God. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Mama na to. Hello. How are you, Baba? Hala. How are you, Baba? I love you. I love you, baby. I miss you. I miss you. Where you been? How you been doing? How you been doing? I miss you. I miss you, little boy. My little only boy. My only boy. My only boy I have. Tosh, I love you. I love you. I thought you were in your upstairs apartment. I thought you were in your apartment upstairs. You have your own apartment upstairs, yes. You have your own apartment, love. The upstairs is yours, you know that. Upstairs is yours. I love you, baby boy. I love you. Anyway, guys, good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.